Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 508 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with speed limiter, blind spot detection and also speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre PureTech engine that gives you 180 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox. It's only done 4,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.